emotionally and mentally and physically stronger than men, believe it or not. Agree? It's true. Kaya ako sa akong mga political problems, usay mabuang na ko sa problema, ma-panic attack ta, pero atong mga asawa will hold is the strength and pillar sa atong mga relationships and decisions. So, I think she will survive this crisis. She will survive. Masurvive yun ang inyang crisis.
Advice to you
Just keep up the faith. Keep praying. Ampo ta sa atong mahal na Señor Santo Niño. Mag-ampo po ta sa atong Virgen Maria. As a matter of fact, I'm sending her a statue of Our Lady of Manaoag, kaya devotee ko sa Our Lady of Manaoag. And just keep praying. Just keep praying. Again, no, my appeal is for the Court of Appeals to come out with a decision. Because justice delayed is justice denied for any party, for any group. Let us come out with a decision so that we may be guided accordingly. Again, I'm here to give my Christmas and New Year's greetings to a very close family friend. So kaya namon si Governor Gwen. Ang iyang daddy o akong daddy nag-uban sa Kongreso, member of Parliament, o ang ilang mga anak, si Governor Gwen was very close. As a matter of fact, sister province ang Bukidnon ang Cebu. And it was Governor Gwen who initiated the sister province. So we're here to lend support. And also at the same time, during my hard times na mo resign ko pagka-senador tungkol sa legitimacy questions sa akong paglingkod, dito si Governor Gwen nag-adto sa Manila, pangita niya ko, nag-storya ng dugay kayo, kung gahatag sa moral support sa akin. So I'm here to show the same sign of love and understanding